This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get Christmas lights in Southwest Florida. Getting into the holiday spirit often involves decorating, and lights are a key part of that. We'll explore the best ways to acquire them, whether you prefer a do-it-yourself approach or professional assistance. My goal is to help you illuminate your home beautifully and efficiently, making your holiday season bright and joyful. When it comes to purchasing Christmas lights, you have several convenient options right here in Southwest Florida. Many local hardware stores and big box retailers stock a great variety, especially as the holiday season approaches. For an even wider selection, online stores offer everything from classic incandescent bulbs to modern, energy-saving LED strands. Remember to think about the type of lights that best suit your display and budget. For those who prefer a hassle-free approach, professional Christmas light installation services are an excellent choice. Southwest Florida has numerous companies that specialize in creating breathtaking holiday displays. These experts handle everything from designing a custom lighting scheme to safely installing and even removing the lights after the season. It's a fantastic way to achieve a spectacular look without any of the effort or risk yourself. If you're planning to hang your own Christmas lights, a little preparation goes a long way. First, sketch out your design to estimate how many light strands you'll need. Always prioritize safety by using lights and extension cords specifically rated for outdoor use. Before you start hanging, plug in and test all your lights to catch any faulty bulbs beforehand. These simple steps will help ensure a smooth and successful decorating experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.